In this video, I'm going to share a little bit about our Palo Verde boat tour. I have grown to love this tour so much, so I always get super excited when we have clients that want to book it. It's less than 1 hour from Tamarindo, so it's the perfect half-day activity. It includes a good mixture of culture, nature, and wildlife. Throughout the video, you will see the different wildlife that we get to experience during the riverboat tour, like monkeys, crocodiles, iguanas, and a variety of species of birds. The riverboat tour is about 1 hour and 20 minutes. It's always breezy and shaded, so it's a super relaxing experience. The day also includes a tortilla making demonstration, a traditional Costa Rican lunch, and a pottery making demonstration from a local artisan. This tour is perfect for families with young kids, as they always enjoy seeing the animals, or older groups that want to see wildlife and experience Costa Rica but maybe don't walk so well. This day is very laid back and enjoyable as we get to experience the culture and wildlife of Guanacaste, Costa Rica.